level yakho iphansi mina ngila yabo.
But
It's not my type.
Oh, there's no nyashe.
是切表高人，
Eh?
是切表。
Le na so type ka cause
I'm here with
Here doing Fanagam
Fanamto. Sure. Fanamto, how often do you talk to ladies?
once.
Once. Sure. So like, how much do you rate your raise out of 10?
No, 4.
Huh?
4.
4. So you are told like a Montomba,
No, no, sure.
is that hard?
Sure.
Also like a phone test.
Yeah.
I am a bambi.
Hello.
Hi.
Sharp.
Sharp no sharp.
Sharp.
Mm.
Malibitso la ko nama.
Cindy.
Sin.
Ono ko ma.
Nambuso. 是切表高人，
Eh?
是切表。
Le na so type ka cause you are too short or nka go date. Yeah.
Wena yo. Hayi, asena type.
I understand. Le na so type since you know yellow bone na nka so.
Hayi lena lo anu yini.
My brother, what happened?
No, si type ya.
What's wrong?
Yelo kakhulu.
I was on a yellow boy. Oh, so now I'm paying umbre tanga.
Yan 4.
Away for.
Check si type ya mi yelo kakhulu.
Oh, okay. What happened?
He's not my type because he's short and lena uyelo bone usana lena.
Oh, when like umuntu mafishane vele no.
Big one.
So noma ngaba mude mara light.
Akimunyaki.
Okay. Hey, my brother. Hey. I'm here with okay.
SMG.
SMG.
Yeah.
I've got one question for you.
Okay.
Yeah, how often do you talk to ladies?
No. Not a lot, but I'm not feeling Louis.
Like how much do you rate your race like out of 10?
Out of 10. I'm gonna give myself a 6. Solid 6, yeah.
That's what I was told, like,
No, I wouldn't say so.
my never test.
Sure. And that's the line.
That's it. Get the mic.
Hello.
Hello.
Jan.
Sharp na.
Sharp. I'm taking the common one.
Kuma katle.
I'm going to here. Should my cheater that first with 7 game here, my son. So, I would like to see like school me sighting, but from a camera first. I'm not trying to first born.
Kuma sighting for in.
Who was that one?
Listen.
They say, so what is this happening, Bill?
Impilo.
Yeah.
So cabanga impilo wena. Sika khuluma mara so ubone future.
Nah, I wouldn't go in the future and some government stuff, but so angazi ngawa ne. Mina ngibona like shoot away empilweni yami.
Ngiyabonga mara like awusi type yami.
Kasongo ngithatha umuntu onjani because now ungazi so uthi ngisithatha kanjani.
Yeah, mengibheka nje awusi type yami and I don't think of like uyafika ku level yami. Yabo. So yeah.
Damn! Okay. So angifike level now.
Nah.
So unesho ngana so ngiyafike level yami.
Angifike level yakhe level yakho iphansi mina ngila yabo.
But ngilana ngithema ngikubona ngavela ngalwala ngarun like ngayisa ama standards amphansi for
So standards wakho phansi for
so
mina.
I thought since now uyehlisa wakho nami ngehlisa wami yabo. Senza amasandla.
Kasongo mbona wewe songa libala oh yeah Kasongo yeah
Yeah, my brother, what happened?
Yo, I'm not a type, so
So like, home paying now, umbre tanga.
solid 7.5. Yeah.
What is the remaining 2.5?
7.5.
Shut down.
For me, it's the attitude. I wanna ngayehlisa kancane. She's cute, she smile and stuff. Yeah.
Also,
And I love the type. Let's say like move, like it's kind of 6 here.
so if I see attitude velo, ngaba 10.
Yeah, nah, not a 10 though, because I get coming to a 10. I get coming to a
So at
10.
least ngaba ku 9.
Nah, 8.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
8.
Okay, now we umre 10.
Huh?
What did you?
Because like akuthi type yami angibathanda abafana abamnyama and like ngifuna abantu abatall yabo
Umude lo.
ayikho umuntu
Come on. Ngibheka so.
ngimbheka kahle ngifuna ukumbheka so yabo
So na umbhekile ngumrate ngakho.
3
What three?
because ayikho muhle akafiki ku-level yami and akuthi type yami
My brother. Next time, you know, I mean, we'll lose some more. We'll get that.
Ethi yami lana bafisi ngicela ukubuza nje Ukraine.
Sharp. Nine.
Exchange yami. So ngicela ukubuza la how often do you talk to girls?
Sometimes.
You talk to them sometimes?
Yeah.
Oh. So namhlanje nje yami ngikuphethela into Ukraine nje yami. So I don't know ukuthi ngikuphethela into Ukraine but wena uzozibonela yona ngamehlo.
Okay. I get
See. Bamba so.
are
it.
lona le kae
Until it's like, okay. It's well, man. Alright, you sharp, yeah.
sharp
Well, man.
ke na sindweni kwini ma
Kena thaba. Umuntu tuwona.
yeah thanks
Watseba wangichaza.
Ngiyakuchaza
Watseba uchaza.
ke go wangichasha
Oh. Yeah, khatlile ko wena ndo wentsele letsatsi la.
oh
Nana le mangwela ka shi.
ashika oh
Shi ke sa kwena.
ha wana ba le krile
O montlago. Ke a nthoma motho o tsana rana.
baba ke le bo
Hi guys, ngithathe sharp.
Yeah, so sharp.
Usali sharp.
ke sa sham
Sure. Okay, bafethu I hope ukuthi everything ihambe grand la because mina ngifix country. Yeah, ngifix country. I'm a fixer. Yeah. So ngicela ukubuza nje yami. Ya lento lo beyifuna itholile.
Yena muhle like obvious sekayenzila ngalami la kuqala ngayo. Nengqondo yami enkulu kanje iqwele.
Oh my brother. Wena siswa umuthini?
uyena bona u sharp mara he's not my type
Type. Konje type king.
type king akitsebi
You can't say ore.
type ke motho ke monyakang like
O nyaka mthombi yang wena.
e mothol
Tall. Tall dark. Yeah, but uta.
ay u short
Oh, is too short. So I say biao.
marena so far u sharp
Nka wa parela dikwekwae.
Oh my brother. Yeah.
ke ka bara hili yana bara hili
At least angere ke tla ba tol nyana ke nya ka tole.
mara still ka spele ka hili mo strateng
A ke re di hili o di apara ka ntlong.
ke mo strateng a re tlo spela ka moka
Mo strateng obvious ona le trans my brother esa chulo vele.
mara still sham it's a
At
no,
least o ka so okay.
but it's a no for me
Akuna nkinga. You know.
Ino nje ya man.
I'm here with
You here with Apelele?
Apelele. Apelele.
Yeah.
Okay, Apelele, I'm gonna ask you one question. Like, how often do you talk to ladies?
I don't often talk to ladies that maybe one thing, yeah.
One thing, yeah.
Yeah.
So, on a most how much do you rate your race, like, out of 10?
Out of 10.
Mm.
I don't actually raise a lot, ne?
Yeah.
But I can actually give myself a 7.
7. I thought you have a told like,
No, I thought.
okay, let's 7, can there's no test.
You get it?
okay
If you don't get it, forget about it.
The test. Yeah, we can try.
Okay, now, that's all my shit, the matches.
Hello.
hello
You
hello brother
You're beautiful eyes.
thank you
You have a nerve.
so
You do. So that keep getting lost in your eyes, you know? I keep getting lost in your eyes.
oh my god
You get what I'm saying, though? You're not getting it. I can see. I like, yeah, you look at them. You can see that. Tell you,
Oh, come on, man. Shut the
Telephone
mic.
din.
I can't hear you, man.
Born, why mo change? Born zangan.
Ngenzangani ugezi?
Ngeza nens. Nganya born. So my brother, what happened? Bro. I don't know what happened actually. Angazi ukuthi ngasi like umuntu engicala ukumbona nami yabo. So mengazi ukuthi ngathini we. But next time maybe ngazazi into happens.
So like wena mawumbhekile wena like ungumrate ngaka.
You mean happy too?
Yeah, offline.
Angithi we can give you a 7.
7. What happened to the remaining 3? Oh, there's no nyash, eh? Oh, so like if you actually corner vele. There's a nyana.
I also like praying, dog.
So wena?
Ngamrate ngaki?
Yeah, ngumrate ngaka.
5.
5. Wi-Fi.
Cause uyajajana. Fake silver ngibathanda abafana angazi silver yini or yini le fake mara like ngibathanda abafana abahlomile. Mara like no
Right. Ne height vele.
yeah yavuma. Yabo.
So okay, beside that into which said 10 up ke like ngumrate ngaka ifana.
8.
8. It like go page, yeah.
It's not bad.
Okay, I'm a crime. Okay, gents, it's Mr. Blessings here, Nomfona Msutu. This is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, comment below. Uncle.